Hi, this is Steve, and today in the garage we're taking a look at my new favorite book, The Archaeological Automobile by Miles Collier. It's an excellent book. It's a whole book about the preservation of classic cars and how important it is to preserve cars. I personally believe that preservation is key. It's one of the most important elements of car collecting. Not everybody agrees with me. This gentleman does, and he explains it thoroughly. I would highly recommend this book. You can find it anywhere online. The Archaeological Automobile by Miles Collier.